Well, if you're looking for a way to take some of the stress out of your morning routine, you might want to start in your closet.
News 4's Juliana Valencia talked with a closet designer who says thinning out your closet will save you time, energy, and money.
I actually use this bar a lot, and I'll put my outfit on this bar the night before.
For many of us, choosing what to wear is a dilemma most mornings, but not for Joy Fletcher.
You know, when you're getting ready in the morning and you're doing your hair and you're thinking, what am I going to wear? I don't know. I don't go through that anymore.
That's because Joy now has her dream closet, a closet that saves her time and stress in the morning, and yes, some money.
All my pants are at one place, all my blazers, jackets, all my coats, so I can quickly put together a great outfit.
Her closet went through a professional makeover, but Matt Hine with Closet by Design says there are some simple steps you can take right now to maximize your closet.
A big problem with people is when they can't find something in that clutter, they end up going out and spending more money to replace it, or they end up buying a duplicate.
So how can you dress for success without the stress? Hine suggests to take everything out of your closet.
It sounds a little bit overwhelming because, oh, I have so much stuff in my closet, but that's really what you have to do. It's almost like ripping off the Band-Aid.
Then sort the clothes using 3 bins. Keep, donate, toss, and be aggressive. Don't debate what needs to go.
Then it's really easy. Look at that keep bin and start putting stuff back in, either color coordinated or style coordinated.
Another option, get rid of a piece of clothing before you add a new one to your closet.
So not only are you updating your wardrobe, you're also finding space in your closet at the same time.
We both can come in, we see exactly what we have, we can grab it and go, and it just makes life so much easier.
Juliana Valencia, News 4.
It's a nice upgrade, right? To have a nice closet like that you can organize.
Yeah, 626 right